You can expect a lot from the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and leather upholstery. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.